Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. O mountains of Makkah, what can you say of the day that Ibrahim passed your way, and he was instructed by God to build a house of peace where people will pray, and they will come on every lane, camel and Arab, every ravine, for the purpose of praising Allah, to glorify Allah. O mountains of Makkah, what can you tell of the day when stone from the sky fell, destroying an army determined to break the house of Allah that Ibrahim built? O mountains of Makkah, how was the dawn on the day that my Prophet Muhammad was born? How did it feel knowing he was to be the last and most beloved of all, Rasul of Allah, Nabi of Allah?